In this video overview, we're gonna go through Salt Christian dating app. So there are many apps out there, but sometimes people just want to, to have some niche dating app where they know they can be more successful with finding the right person. So yeah, this is like the Salt dating app, which you can discover. It's focused on Christians. So if you are relating yourself to that, definitely give a try to this app. So yeah, you create an account. I need to say it's pretty long to create an account, similar to like Bumble or some others. This app, so you need to answer a lot of questions there, and hint also about the religion and all of that because this is like Christian dating app. And then you just see different profiles. There is no swipe left, swipe right. You can swipe down to see additional photos and additional profiles. If you don't like the person, you just tap arrow in the bottom left. If you like, you can send some heart. Unfortunately, also there aren't that many people in the app outside of US or something like that, because the app is pretty new. I guess it doesn't have that many reviews on the App Store. So yeah, like if you're using it in Europe or somewhere like, not Christian, or like some other countries without many Christians, it's just not gonna work. Otherwise, you need to extend your preferences, and then this is how it looks like. So this app is kind of like a Tinder for Christians. And then, here is also the message. You can say hi to someone. For example, you can send a message, sent successfully. And that's basically it. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's mainly like US based. So there aren't, even if you include this huge range, there aren't that many people in the preferences. So here you can just change all the settings in preferences. You can set up that your profile is visible. You can change your profile to private mode. Private mode is a premium feature which allows your profile to remain hidden and only shown to people you have first liked. Interested in speed dating, then you can select all these push notifications and select filters. You can filter people even in a free version. You can detect your location. Maybe you can also turn off your location so it can just show you more profiles. Okay, it doesn't work. That there aren't that many people here. That's the one concern. Then there is also Salt Premium. See who likes you. Matching is made easier. Meet more people. Intro yourself, send up 10 personal intros each day, be more visible, people you've seen, private mode. So here you can select all the different options, like 1 week for $9.99, 1 month, 3 months, 12 months. So that's what you can do here. Then if you want to delete your account, you can easily do it here from the account section. You can just tap here to delete an account. And then you can just hide your profile. You can hiding your profile means that you will just pause your profile. And then you can also just completely delete your account. So that's basically the idea. You can also go through through some tips. They have like really extensive like FAQ section, which you can just read through here. Here you have all of that. You can see here people you have seen. You can see all the messages. You can see who liked you, but probably need to be in the premium. So that's basically the idea. You can easily change your profile. You can replace your cover photo. And there are a lot of questions, as I said, when you're creating your account. So you need to answer all these questions about like interest, what you value, some prompts, some text, some additional photos. You can You can, I was just creating an example account here. So you can connect Instagram, add more answers, add more photos. Like the more you add here, the better chances for you to use this app successfully. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, something around that. You can also, if you tap in top right, you can highlight your profile and get connected with more potential matches faster. Your profile will be prioritized above others. You can get seen by more people more quickly, view every like that you received during your highlight. Yeah, and that's basically the idea. So yeah, this is the app. You can just go and search it. Like this is how it looks like. Salt. It's a free app. You don't need to, so you can just see that. As you can see, it's growing in the charts. There are many Christian apps, dating apps, and this seems like a promising app. It's growing in the charts, but yeah, it just needs much more users, because if you're in Europe, there aren't that many users for this app. Probably in US there would be more, but yeah, hopefully their user base will grow.